Hi everybody, my name is Ayana, and this is my tiny project of, I'm in 6th grade, and this is my 6th grade project of an animal cell that I have to do for science class. I'm just going to show you the basics, so what I used and what tools I used and all the things that I did for a model. So this was pretty much my model. I made this in class in groups. We were doing sections. I made this from a book. I didn't trace it. And pretty much I used this and I did all the pieces and parts and I put it on here. And for this I used felt. The kind of felt that I used with different colors, it's wool actually. I felted it all together and I used different colors. This is also felt, the crafting felt that you just sew together sometimes. And this is a foam, like a foam block that you use to put it on. There's different kinds of things you can use. You put it on here. They say you can use that. Sometimes it sticks though. It sticks really well. There's also another type of fabric that you can use. I forgot what it's called. It's way better to use because it doesn't like stick into the actual foam, and it's much easier to felt with. And these are just regular finger covers that you put on your fingers so that when you're felting it won't hurt as much. It'll still go through this part because it's thin, and it will go through this, but it's just less painful. Like a lady one time said that she had trouble with it, and there was this one time that she poked it all the way through her nail, through her whole finger. Okay, other than that, these are fabric scissors. These are used to just, mainly in their name, cut fabric. These are scissor sharpeners. This is a scissor sharpener. I got all this stuff for Christmas, so I don't know how much it is or where it came from, but you use this to just sharpen your scissors. This is a 40 triangle felting needle, and it comes in a pack of 4. One broke, but it comes in a pack of 4 with a 36 triangle, 38 triangle, 40 triangle, and 38 star, and the 38 star broke. And yeah, and okay, so for my project, it was a animal cell, like I said, and I'm just going to show you the parts. So, like on here, this part is the nucleus and the nucleolus. The yellow squiggly lines are is the endoplasmic reticulum. This pink part right here that's like kind of separated, that's the Golgi body. These little things right here are the ribosomes. They're purple. The purple part around the just around the whole thing, the base of it, is the cell membrane. The seafoam kind of green color over here is the cytoplasm. This orange piece right here is the vacuole, and the green are the lysosomes. The 2 blue parts are the mitochondria, and that's pretty much it for my project. Thanks so much for watching, and goodbye. Hi guys, it's Ayana again, and I forgot to tell you one more thing about my project. The technique. So what I did was I started off by taking the needle and just dragging it in, dragging the pieces of felt in, but first I had to like shape it, so I had to mold it a little bit, bring each side in, and then felt in the middle, and then I felt it on the sides, bringing each side in at the same time. Then what I did was I took these little, the cytoplasm pieces, and what I did was I rolled them up, and, well, here, I just rolled it up like this, kind of, flattened it a little in my hands, and put it around the sides. Then what I did was, with these little slivers for the endoplasmic reticulum, what I did was I took little pieces of yellow, I stretched them out a little, and then I just rolled them in my hands like you would do with Play-Doh or something. I rolled them in my hands, and I rolled them on my leg, and I made the little slivers and tried to get them as fine as I could. and then I just felted it the rest of the way. With these little ribosomes, what I did was I took little tiny pieces, like that small, and I rolled them up into little balls, and they get bigger though, and I made them that big. And when I felted it in, it got smaller because it went inside the fabric, the wool. Then, for the nucleus and nucleolus, apparently for the nucleolus, I just rolled it up into a ball, and I felted it a little bit so that it would be a little more harder. And for the nucleus, what I did was I rolled it up into a ball. Then what I did was I kind of shaped it while I was felting it. I rolled it up in a ball, I felted it, and then I kind of felted down the middle, and that way it would like fold in half by itself. And then I put the just put the nucleolus inside, and then I felted those together. For the vacuole, all I did was I took a little piece, I rolled it up into kind of a regular like sliver. Then when I felted it in, I kind of pushed in the sides to make it shape like an actual vacuole. And then for the mitochondria, which are the blue, I just did the same thing as I did with the vacuole, and I rolled it up into little slivers, and as I felted it, it just went in like that. For these, I rolled it up into a ball, felted it in, and that's pretty much it for my project. Again, oh wait, one more thing. I forgot the Golgi body. For the Golgi body, I rolled it up into slivers, and I had to kind of connect them a little bit. Like, I rolled it up, and I folded it in half, rolled it up again. I had to fold it in half one more time for some of them, and when I felted it, it just got smaller, so it was easier for me. And that is finally it for my project, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.